And the cause is also personal. Now you say, well, how could we know the cause is personal? Well, if you think about it, we're familiar with two types of explanations. We have a scientific explanation, then we have explanations that deal with people's choices, what people do, agency, that sort of thing. In the case of the beginning of the universe, we can't rely on physical laws and initial conditions and those sorts of things that you would set up in your physics lab to try to explain things. Physical laws don't exist prior to the universe. Or more accurate to say, sans the universe, those sorts of things don't exist. Okay? So we're left with personal explanations, okay, that have to do with agency. So if I walk into the kitchen and I see a boiling pot of water, and I say, why is the pot boiling? And if my wife says, well, the heating element is exciting the water molecules and they're impinging upon each other, and eventually they transform from liquid water to water vapor. She just gave me a scientific explanation. Personal explanation, I want to have some tea. So I think the strong case is that the cause of the universe is a personal cause.